how to order from Shein. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can order from Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to order from Shein, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Shein application here and log into your account. Just look for the products that first of all you want to buy and then add them to your cart. So you can select a product, select the size, the quantity, the colors, whatever is available depending upon the product, then add them to your basket, then tap the basket icon in order to come to your cart page, review the product once and for all, then tap on the checkout button. Once you go to checkout, make sure to enter your shipping details or whether you want to do a pickup yourself. So depending upon what you want to do, confirm standard shipping or express shipping. Then once you've done that, you can apply the coupon codes, select a payment method such as PayPal, credit, a Cash App Pay, Venmo or Google Pay and whatever, then tap and continue to finish paying and your order will get successfully confirmed and it will get delivered to you depending upon the time. So this way you can order from Shein. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.